How to replace a Human Touch ALTUS main PCB. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and zip ties. Save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, lift up the front seat cushion flap, then unscrew the two knobs that secure the cushion to the chair. Lift up on the seat cushion to detach it, then slide it forward just enough to expose the seat cushion connectors. Disconnect the connectors, then remove the seat cushion from the chair. Now, remove the 4 screws that secure the main PCB cover, then remove the cover. Cut the 3 zip ties on each long side of the PCB tray to free the cable bundles. Remove the excess zip tie from each of the zip tie tabs. Next, disconnect each connector from the main PCB. Finally, remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB to the chair. Slide the PCB out from under the cabling to remove it. To install the new PCB, slide it into position underneath the cabling, with the large silver component along the right-hand side of the chair. Replace the 4 screws to secure the PCB to the chair. Next, connect each of the connectors to the main PCB, matching the size and color. Thread a new zip tie through one of the zip tie tabs, wrap it around the nearby cabling, then secure it. It is helpful to bend the tip of the zip tie before threading it through the tab. Repeat these steps to secure the cabling to each of the remaining 5 zip tie tabs. Once the cabling is secured, cut the excess zip ties. Now, place the PCB cover into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Before replacing the seat cushion, note the connector and the 2 mounting points on the underside of the seat, the bracket hooks under the center rear chair frame, and the 2 front posts must be inserted into the corresponding holes at the front of the frame. Lower the seat cushion into position, leaving room to access the connectors, then connect the connectors. Slide the seat backward to engage the center bracket with the chair frame, then lower the 2 mounting posts into the corresponding holes on the frame. Use your fingers to confirm that the posts are installed into the holes. Install the 2 knobs you previously removed onto the mounting posts to secure the front of the seat cushion to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on. Then confirm that the chair is working properly.